Isn't it so unsatisfying? I wish I was materialistic, excited for the future unfolding. Thank God I'm not realistic. Heels overhead in the bedroom, you smell so good, don't need perfume. I'm a tulip, you're the spring bloom. I'd be a fool not to love you. Headed down, I see a green light. Block out to block, nearly sunrise. Rolling my way through stop signs. Pinned down by jealous minds. Heels overhead in the bedroom. You smell so good, don't need perfume. I'm a tulip, you're the spring bloom. I'd be a fool not to love you. I'd be a fool not to love you. Yeah, don't ever change. Stay the same, stay the same. That's the last thing I say to you. I'd be a fool not to love you. I'd be a fool not to love you.
Welcome. We are back. The market's not doing too well, but we're gonna have some fun tonight. And yeah, how's everybody doing? Hit the like button, the subscribe button if you're new to the stream. I talk about stocks, I chart stocks, and you know, we use risk management, we use variables. It's none of that gambling and YOLOing, and you know, I don't do all that stuff. We just watch levels, we see how other traders react to levels, and then we react based on how they react. Does that make sense? Hopefully. If not, whatever. But yeah, we're going to be talking about the usual stuff tonight. We're going to start off with Bitcoin and crypto. Then I'm going to be talking about some other markets around the world. I actually want to see how oil's been doing. We had CPI numbers today. We're going to be talking, I don't know if we're going to talk about that too much, but we'll talk about how the market reacted to those numbers. And I'm going to talk about the overall stock market, my thoughts on the market. We might be seeing some signs of a potential, at least like a short-term reversal here soon. I'll bring that up in a little bit. And then I'll talk about some individual names like MULN, which fell 7% today. We're gonna talk about Fisker, GameStop, CLOV. They're all kind of developing these like 1 hour wedges. So action-packed stream tonight. And yeah, hit the like button. Tonight's stream is sponsored, okay? Tonight's stream is sponsored. And yeah, you all know, as most of your YouTubers do, they run ads and they have sponsors and they have referral links. I never run ads on my streams. I have no sponsors, and I have a referral link, but when's the last time you've heard me use it or say it on the stream? And I think I even took it out of the description, honestly. So I'm supported by all of you and your vibes and the likes on the stream and the subscriptions. Those just give me good vibes. But obviously, like financially, like I'm doing this like full time, like literally I'm spending all day at my desk, 9 to 5, literally, and then also streaming. So I'm trying to do everything I can. Tonight's stream is sponsored by nobody. It's actually technically sponsored by myself and Stack the Margins. So Stack the Margins, a member of the free trading movement, reached out saying he wanted to tip, but wanted to do it a little bit different and pay for some people's premium memberships. And he asked me if I'd kind of join in. And basically, he's going to be, I guess, giving away 2 premium monthly memberships, and I will, I guess, be giving away 4 premium monthly memberships. That's all going to be taking place live on stream tonight. I'm not going to be doing it all at like one time. Basically, how this is going to work is, number 1, you have to be in the Discord, okay? Link to the Discord is in the description, or you could just do discord.gg/free trading movement and join the Discord. Make sure you're verified when you join the Discord. Go to the verification channel and then just literally just click both of these emojis and the giveaway will take place in the announcements channel. All right, so basically I'm gonna come down to Champ Slayer, which is my secret channel of the Discord, and I'm gonna like set up the giveaway bot. 6 different. I think I'm gonna do 3 different times. 3 different times this stream. I am going to be coming to this channel, and I'm gonna type in the giveaway. It's gonna be like 25-30 seconds. So you're gonna have to be watching the stream and paying attention, because unless you want to like stare at this channel for the next hour, you do you. But randomly in the stream, 3 different times, I'm gonna go over here. I'm going to show you all my screen that I'm setting up the giveaway. I'm going to set it for like 20 seconds. And basically what you have to do is you go to the announcements channels in the Discord. All right, go to this channel right over here, and it's going to pop up a message, and the message is going to say react to this message with like a party emoji. It'll tell you which emoji to react with. And it's going to, out of all the people who join that giveaway raffle, I wouldn't say raffle, but like, basically, you click the emoji. If 30 people click the emoji, only 2 people win at a time. We're doing 6 in total, 3 different times. I'm gonna be doing 2 people. Okay, so the first time, I guess we'll just get started so you can see what it's like. We might as well just do it right now. All right, so get ready. Go to the announcements channel in the Discord, and just wait there for like a little bit. And let me set this up. This is gonna be the first one. A couple things. Make sure you're verified in the Discord. And this is for anybody who is not in premium. So if you've been thinking about premium, this is your potential free opportunity to try it out for a month. It's $50 to sign up. If you win the giveaway, it's free for your first month. And yeah, all right, let's get this started. So this is for non-premium members. Ignore all this. That was like a random, like I think I gave like $20 like Steven last Friday or something. But let's see, which one is this again? Wait, yeah, it's this. Second. All right, so first one, 2 people right now are going to be getting a free month. It's going to last 30 seconds, okay? There's going to be 2 winners right now. Remember, I'm going to be doing this 3 different times, all right? 3 different times I'm going to be doing this, so 2 members each time. It's the first time during Zoom I'm going to be doing it, so here we go. What do you want to give away? Premium monthly. All right, here you go. First one just started. It's an announcements. 2, so you see everybody's clicking the emoji. 2 people who click this will win it. If you win, please do not join the other giveaways I do on the stream tonight, because if you win, I'm just gonna like have to redo it. You're obviously not gonna win twice. If you win once. Don't rejoin. So for the first 2 people that win now, don't join the other giveaways tonight. All right, so there we go, 10 people, and there you go. So I believe this is a premium member. So all right, first one is here. We have to do 1 more. Again, this is for people who are not in premium. That's what Stack the Margins was asking for. If you do right now, it's not going to work. So I got to do 1 more really quickly. So number 1, I'm going to write it. All right. Here we go. This one's gonna be like 15 seconds. Okay, so. So 1 winner right now, 15 seconds. All right, there you go. Again, if you win, please do not enter again. And again, this is for people that are not currently in premium. All right. So there we go. So 2 winners. We're going to be doing 4 more throughout this stream. I'm not going to tell you when. It's going to be random. All right. So I'm going to be doing this again. You pretty much have to be watching the stream, because they're only going to be like 20 seconds that you can enter. So 4 more. That was only 2, just to start, so you can see what it's like. We're gonna be doing that for 4 more people in this stream. Now let's get back to like the normal stream, and let's talk about what's going on with the market. Let me read the chat for a second, because there's quite a few chats. What's up, B Johnson? Everybody's saying what's up. Yeah, we're already at 28 likes, which is crazy. If you win, by the way, let us know in the chat. Like, obviously you can see the Discord. Let's see it. Stack the Margins again. So remember, 2 of these are from Stack the Margins. So Stack the Margins, this is in the chat. You can say thank you to Stack the Margins, saying yo yo. Stack the Margins also saying giveaway with the rocket emoji. Keith saying awesome, good on you, Stack the Margins, big vibes. Max saying surprising to see only 13 people watching. I think we were at 30 when I started the stream. I think a lot of people just went over to the Discord, and they might just be on their phones or something. I don't know. It is what it is. AK says thanks for the opportunity, Stack and Champ. What else did I miss anything? Frank says, what about premium members McDonald's? We did do the McDonald's giveaway before. But yeah, I mean, I tried my best, you know. We did, again, this workshop. This was not shared publicly on YouTube. This was for all of you. I know other people are charging a lot of money for workshops like this. So there's a 1 hour workshop right there. We did 3 different days of me live trading and premium exclusively. And then also, like, even recently, it's like the swings haven't done too well. But if you're in premium, you see the options, which have done much. We're going to be talking about tonight. So I'm trying my best again. You know, there's going to be more giveaways in the future, and yeah. Or maybe I'll do another $20 McDonald's. I don't know, but hopefully that answers. You know, for me, it's like I just don't see the point of giving away money or even like memberships like in premium. Even though I think I have given away stuff like that, but I think it's more just adding more value, right? But for anybody who's also new to the stream and wants to know what premium is, speaking of value, we have swings just like these swings over here. Okay, just like these swings over here. We have swings, entry, stop loss, take profits. None of it's financial advice. They're only for entertainment purposes. You do whatever you want. Nobody is buying or selling for you. You do all of your own trades. They're just levels that I see on charts, not financial advice. But there's swings, there's additional swings. We have options ideas. This has been the bread and butter. This has been the best performing section of alerts that I have put out in the last half a year for sure. I think this is like our 21st or our 22nd green week in a row for options ideas for this channel. And like, I don't know how many weeks of that we have. We were in a literal bear market where the NASDAQ fell over 20%, and I was still like primarily sharing call options, and they were still working out. And we're actually up, or we're starting the week 3-0. I shared MULN calls that went up 55% yesterday. I shared SPY puts that went up like 200%. And then I also shared some GameStop calls this morning that went up 50% in like 13 minutes. I don't even remember. We'll talk about it when we get to GameStop, but oh, sorry, we're not done. We have the swings, we have the options. There's a weekly watch list I send every single weekend. And then there's also this bullseye channel from TradingTix, which sends automated alerts, of course, not financial advice. And these do have like dashboards for each and every single alert. So all of that, okay, for less than $2 a day, technically, if you're going month to month. I don't know. Also, I forgot to even mention this. For the people who win the giveaways tonight, again, there's going to be 4 more. I'm going to reach out to you because you're probably like super confused. You're like, now what? Everybody who wins tonight, then I'm dropping like your name here with we did 1 and 2. I'm going to DM you, and I'm going to get you all set up. I'm going to DM all of you tonight. Okay. And yeah, sorry, forgot to mention that. All right, so we haven't even really gotten into the analysis yet. Let's get started. Hey, I'm just gonna do my normal stream, and then a few different times I'm gonna do like these quick 30-second giveaways, and there we go. Starting off with Bitcoin, it still has the potential for hidden bullish divergence. We shall see what happens. It kind of looks like it's breaking down a little bit to me over here, but you could re-anchor this. The DSO crypto alert's not off to a good start. Again, we just had 4 over like 10 to 15% profit crypto swings. It's not always just going to be perfect. And all those were pretty much almost perfect. They just went up. You know, this one's off to a rough start, but hopefully you can just hold this little zone over here. It's not like the technicals really haven't been invalidated much. If anything, you now actually have triple classic bullish divergence on DESO. So we'll see if this can play out and confirm and whatnot. But yeah, it hopefully can just hold above support like it has done so far. I don't really know if I'm gonna be doing updates on the rest of them. I mean, all these pretty much, they've already like hit their targets and been marked green on the sheet, 20-30% profits. So I just don't think there's much I can update unless they start like pivoting again for these ones. So yeah, still waiting for OMI to drop down to that PCC. Let's see what's up with Ethereum. Same thing, really not much. You eventually could get this hidden bullish divergence on the daily, so keep in mind. or just keep watching your oscillators. And that's a quick rundown for crypto. We're going to talk about some other markets. I'm going to give you my breakdown for the stock market. If you've been watching the stream, oil has just been boom, technical pulling out after technical. I'm going to break that down in a second. Let me see the chat for a second. GT is saying oil futures long. I don't know. I can't give you financial advice. All right. Stack the Margins, who again is helping me help all of you join the giveaway. Basically, he's giving away as well. He sent me some money, so he's paying for some of you to join premium tonight. Saying vibes for champ, holding it down for the community every night. I appreciate it. Also, I need to check this. I think we're really close to my 400th live stream, which is crazy. 400 live streams. Actually, I might be completely wrong. I think it's saying 331 here. It might have been like 400 videos I might have seen and I got confused about. Never mind, we still got like 70 more to go. Frank the Tank saying premium worth every penny. Thank you, I really appreciate that and all of the testimonials that all of you have given. Literally when I did like the first few rounds of feedback, like literally it was like raise the prices. I'm done. I told you all, we did a few price raises for sure, but I'm not planning on doing any more price raises for the rest of this year. And remember, you always are grandfathered in at whatever price you sign up at. Frank the Tank says, and sorry that was me. Oh, okay. Okay, you're just testing me out. It's all good. Steve A says, oh, Steve, I saw you in the beginning. You were also saying ready. Steve was like the third person in the chat saying ready for the premium giveaway, and you actually won it. That's awesome. So you won that DM. Yes, sorry, I should have said that as well. You will get a Discord DM. So again, whoever wins, literally I'm just going to click your name and then just click message, and I'm going to I'm going to walk you through the process of getting your free month. Okay. Max says, I'm currently and have been a premium member for a while. It is vibing daily. Again, appreciate all the testimonials. So yeah, futures. So it all started when it started going crazy. I started kind of talking about futures every night on stream over here. Just a quick recap. It broke above, it ran up, it kind of randomly topped out, but we did talk about this bearish engulfing candle day. Then it sold off. Then it hit the PCZ of a bullish bat, and I said it was looking good. It ran right up to resistance, and then it rejected that resistance, like literally level by level. And it's crazy, like how many people are talking about oil, obviously fundamentally right now with all the crazy things going on in the world. It's like literally, it's just crazy with all the different news headlines and everything. Like the technicals are playing out like perfectly, and that can't even be argued. Okay, from the PCZ of this bat, it ran up to a resistance. From the resistance, it topped out. Then I told you all that it broke down from this triangle a couple days ago. But then last night on stream, I told you all, I know I'm like flip-flopping, but that's literally what oil has been doing. It's just flip-flopping. But then we talked about this wedge last night on stream, and oil has been rallying with the classic bullish divergence. Craziness. Now it is back testing what was once a domain line as a supply line. You also do have a little bit of classic bullish divergence, maybe, I don't know. So we'll see. A little bit less of a straightforward breakdown for oil tonight, but there's that. And then let's keep it going. The Hang Seng Index, kind of just an indecision doji candle day after the breakdown yesterday. Silver breaking back above and continuing higher. If you watched last night's stream, I was making all sorts of faces looking at this chart. The hidden bullish divergence, the break back above resistance, the wedge breakout, it was all there, and you got a nice green day. Hopefully it can keep going. That's really it for silver. Let's take a look at gold next. Gold as well. I mean, the back test of what was once a resistance as a support, hidden bullish divergence. If you're getting confused by any of the terms I ever talk about, we have another sponsor of the stream. Okay, again, no ads, no sponsors, no affiliate links, but we do have another sponsor tonight, which is my free trading course in the description. Okay, it's free. So that's the other sponsor. Okay, go watch that free course in the description if you haven't. But yeah, confirmed hidden bullish divergence, and the variables are playing out. The dollar going higher as well. Like we talked about all this, not much to update on. We already talked about the breakout of this range. They're just playing out for right now. We'll see what happens. We can move over towards the stock market, and let's start off with 1 hour charts and lower time frames. Wow, a lot of these 1 hour charts, we had a pretty rough sell-off. The SPY is down about 6% almost from the highs, or 5% from the highs. It put in just a couple weeks ago, and it's not been a great time, but now you are showing some triple classic bullish divergence developing on the 1 hour, it like kind of confirmed for like a second today, and then the market fell again and just kind of invalidated for a bit. But you still have the potential for very easily confirming 1 hour classic bullish divergence tomorrow, day after. We shall see. But yeah, this morning we had those CPI numbers. We gapped up. We had a like good hour today, really big fake out in the morning, and then we just dumped the rest of the day. That was the price action for today. But a lot of these charts are starting to develop these 1 hour wedges with divergence. We're going to come back to a few of these charts later, but it is very interesting. Okay. We're going to come back to a few of these charts in a little bit, but keep an eye on them. Let's stick to the market for right now. And yeah, on the higher time frames, there isn't much of a signal. I charted this level today, this 436 level. You got down to 436.6, but this is pretty much, you pretty much tapped the 50% retrace from this low to this high. Okay, you've come back down halfway. So that's where you're currently at. And again, just very similar to like Bitcoin and everything and crypto, you could get some hidden bullish divergence here at any point if you start pivoting, but it's not really developing yet. And then we've already been talking about that on the 4 hours. So in terms of the market, you also bounce out. If you've been watching here and been charting this like broadening wedge, you also bounce off that demand line. I'm seeing some variables for a short-term bounce towards the end of the week. We do have the markets closed on Friday, so keep that in mind. But we'll see. I mean, you clearly have gotten oversold twice now. You were oversold over here on the 1 hour and over here on the 1 hour. So you know, divergence is starting to form, the variables are starting to flip, and it's not just the 1 hour charts. You've got the same thing on the 30-minute, that same divergence, the seller exhaustion, as Mitch Ray would say. It's there. So interesting. All right. Troublesome, we already gave away the premium 2 out of 6. Okay, 2 out of the 6 memberships have been given away. Shout out to Stack the Margins again for helping me out with the giveaway tonight. So yeah, 2 out of 6. Shortly, I'm going to be, after I talk about the market, I'm going to give away 2 more, or Zach and I guess. So yeah, that's the SPY. Let's go over to the Russell. It was looking a lot better in the morning, and then again it fell. Like it was like all the way green and like up over here, you know. Finally, and we've been talking about this back test for all of you that care about small caps. This is a small cap ETF pretty much. It was back testing, was once a resistance or a supply line as a demand line. And again, same thing here, that hidden bullish divergence. Don't be surprised if in like a week we're starting to talk about hidden bullish divergence confirming for the stock market, which we have seen play out beautifully, especially last summer, if any of you remember. QQQ bearish engulfing candle today, but back in this little inflection zone that used to be resistance and support in the past. Point stands here with the potential for hidden bullish divergence, but not developing yet. Not too much to think about it for right now. And then the ARK ETF, not really in any sort of like technical area. This also, just like the SPY, the NASDAQ, the QQ, it has that potential like inverse head and shoulders looking formation. We'll see if it eventually confirms or not. And then finally the NASDAQ, another bearish engulfing candle very similar to the QQQ. Let's see what retrace this is at from its lows to highs. It's at a golden retrace pretty much. Okay, so we'll see if that golden retrace level holds or not. Triple classic bullish divergence on the 1 hour, and again another wedge. We're seeing this across the board. We haven't seen these variables on the 1 hour again since we topped out, and I hate to be so egotistical, but if you watch the streams, if you follow me on Twitter, I literally said like word for word that I was calling the bottom like right over here for the market. And I didn't say word for word, but I was saying that it was looking like we were, you know, it was looking like we were looking bearish when we were up here. And those 2 levels played out. I wouldn't go as far as to say like the bottom is for sure right now for the market, but like I am saying, at least we're getting the variables that we just haven't seen. Okay. So enough of my big ego and talking about the market. We're gonna do another giveaway right now. Wanted to say something. So yeah, after we do this, again, it's gonna be another 2 people. And I'm going to talk about GameStop, Fisker, MULN, CLOV, Tesla, the ongoing swings, even though there's not that many right now. We're going to talk about all of that after I do this, after we do another giveaway right now in a second here. So yeah, some reminders. We got 37 people in here. I mean, it's great. Like literally, like I'm just streaming right now and all of you are waiting for the giveaway, I guess. But Like as soon as I started in the Discord, I'm sure this is going to go down to like 13 people again as all of you head back over to the Discord. But again, if you don't win it this time, I'm going to be doing this another time later in the stream as well. So this is like the second out of 3 times I'm going to be doing this double membership giveaway. Just some reminders. This is for members who are not signed up or somebody who's not signed up to join and try it out for your first month. That's what Stack wanted when he reached out to me. And if you win, please do not try and join the other giveaways. You're not going to win it twice. I'm not going to let that happen. So non-premium members, and also if you win, don't join the next one. There was another thing I had to say. And, and I'm going to reach out to you on Discord DMs after the stream to get you all signed up and everything. All right. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying the stream. And also, to those of you who are just literally showing up tonight and haven't been watching streams because there's a giveaway, one, thank you for showing up, but also, I miss you. I just want to say I miss you, okay? I miss having about 40 people in here. That used to be like the average. Now, again, we haven't had this many people in the stream for like at least a month or two, but I miss you, all right? We all miss you. So let's get started and let's do it again. All right, so again, Discord announcements channel. You're gonna see this giveaway bot pop up. All you gotta do is click this emoji and react to join the giveaway. It's gonna be like 30 seconds again. All right, two people are gonna win right now. Don't click right now. It's not, the new one hasn't started. I'm making it right now. All right, so announcements channel in the Discord. Here we go. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, this was a lot quicker than the first time. Wow. All right, there you go. So 2 people are about to win in like 20 seconds. A month of premium, which is $50. What's up, Mr. LinkedIn? How you doing? Did you change your YouTube name like a little bit? I feel like it used to be like a different logo or something. I don't know. All right, here we go. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Here we go. Medic, you can't win. You're in premium. We got to do one more. Again, if you're in premium, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try and do giveaways in the future, but Stack asked, you know, to try and see if we can get some new people to join and see what it's like. This is for non-premium members. So 3 is gonna be. I'm gonna do another one right now because Medic joined. Also, shout out to Medic 5. Hope he's doing well. All right, one more. This one's gonna be quick, all right? Medic's trolling in the chat. Also, I haven't seen you in the chat in a minute, Medic. Hope you're doing all right. All right, 15 seconds. We're gonna do one more because Medic can't be a winner. I guess it's gonna be 30 seconds. And remember, I'll reach out to you after the stream on Discord DMs. Make sure you DM. Actually, I'll be able to DM you because you're in the server. All right, here we go. You just click this party emoji, truffle chocolate. You join Discord. The link is in the description. It's free to join the Discord. You go to announcements and then you click this party emoji, and it'll enter you into the giveaway. All right, let's check. There you go. All right, so that's number 4. Again, I'll reach out to you after the stream, and we're not done. Okay, we're not done. That's 4 out of 6 memberships. All right, we have 2 more. 2 more. I'm gonna do them randomly, so you gotta stay tuned in to see when they will be. Okay. Sack the Margins. What's up? Again, shout out to Sack the Margins, who this was his idea. You know. Sack the Margin saying 40 people in the stream tonight on a red day. Shut up for you, mate. The TA is on point. It's definitely in a huge part thanks to you. Thank you very much for again helping me out here and for the idea. But yeah, appreciate all of you. So let's keep it going. We're going to be giving away 2 more randomly later on. Those will be the final 2. So if you didn't win yet, you still have a chance. All right. So let's get started with GameStop. Right now, basically, I'm just going to run down a few of the tickers on my watch list. I'm just going to break them down. talk about what I'm seeing on the charts, and then I'm also going to talk about the swings for a bit, and then somewhere randomly we're going to do the other two people. Just a reminder, hit the like button. GameStop. All right, so let's start with the alert today from Premium. Again, tonight's stream is sponsored by Premium, but we always break down these trades on stream. So 9:53 a.m. I alerted GameStop calls. These went from 325 up to 485 in 13 minutes. They went up 50% in 13 minutes. Let's talk about what I was seeing in order for that move. We gotta go to even lower time frames. So this was right over here, okay? I had seen basically GameStop had not one, but two long wicked candles around this 144 area, and I saw that it was breaking or testing a breakout back above the VWAP. So right over here is when I alerted GameStop calls in the morning. And yeah, this was a very nice move. Went up the stock price went 4%, the options went up like 55%. Very quick, very nice, and actually went right up to a level that I was talking about, and I did share this level in the chat. If we go to the options updates channel, here, right over here. I share right there, or okay, so like literally right when I alerted, I shared this 151 level. You can't see my chat's cutting out, but I share this 151 level you can see over here, and basically it ran up to that level. And a little bit of a fake out there. I mean, it did confirm one 15-minute candle close above this level, but then it very clearly gave it up on like the next two candles. But that was pretty much the move. Hopefully, I mean, even going into tomorrow, it kind of created another mini wedge and broke out of that into the end of the day. It's still, you know, it kind of be looked at as like this wedge back test, this potential like inverse head and shoulders formation. You still have the triple classic bullish divergence, so we'll see what happens. But again, yeah, that's a 55% profit in 13 minutes. But hey, okay, again, I'm talking about Premium and all this. Number one, I've been showing you this wedge on GameStop for like this whole entire week on stream, or even I think a little bit last week I was showing you this wedge. And then also go back to last night's stream, I literally told you all that I was moving up GameStop on my watch list for this morning. So again, and I'm also breaking down the trades so you can get the education and be able to fish by yourself. So I'm trying to help out however I can. So there you go. That was the GameStop move. Hopefully it makes a larger move. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I think 141 is a very key support. You can see it from these lows back over here, and from like these last 4 lows in like the last week. It's trying to put in a bottom here. Will it put in the bottom? We shall see. Speaking about bottoms, sounds weird. Keanu Trades is saying bottom is in today in the chat. We'll see if Keanu Trades is right. He very nicely, alongside myself, called the bottom about a month ago, whenever it was. And yeah, it's cool. You know, it's okay to have a big ego if you make more when you're right than you lose when you're wrong. All right, if there's any quote from tonight's stream, that's the quote. All right, of course, you know, I'm not always going to win, but as long as we're talking about you know, the trades making more when they're winning than they're losing when they're not, it's okay to have a big ego. But risk management is very important, and it's not easy. You know, even myself, even like in the this year so far, it's been a lot tougher just to trade in general. This market's not as easy as it was the last 2 years, obviously. But yeah, Keanu Trades, yeah, deleting this if I'm wrong. The classic. What actually is crazy to me, you saw everything that's going on with Twitter and this edit button. It's going to be very interesting. We already know that there is a lot of people on Twitter that are calling plays and they're just going ahead and deleting the ones that didn't work out. It's going to be crazy if we have an edit button, because then everybody's going to be calling everything. Literally, imagine, I don't know, they're going to have some restriction on that. But if Twitter makes an edit button, literally, I'm telling you right now, I'm calling this, okay? People are going to be going back and editing their price targets on tweets from 2 weeks ago, and then they're going to be retweeting it. It's going to happen. That's what I'm actually a little bit scared for, because Twitter has gotten pretty toxic as it is. Not to me, actually. I mean, when I first started tweeting a lot, that's when it was a lot harder. I feel once you start getting a lot more people supporting you, it's just the noise kind of washes out. But definitely for those of you trying to grow a following, it can be a little bit toxic at first. You just got to block it out and just focus on those people that are supporting you. So let's keep going through my watch list. Fisker. All right, this 1 hour wedge as well. Fisker's in a very, very key level. Okay, it was a resistance, it was a support. We'll see tomorrow whether or not it's going to be a support again. It's not perfect divergence, it's scuffed divergence, but it's also in this wedge over here. Even on like the 15-minute, you could chart this wedge, and you actually do have some hidden bullish divergence developing on the 15-minute. So Fisker, I mean, again, like there's no certainty that Fisker is going to go up from right here, but the risk, right? The risk of, again, this is not financial advice, the risk of going long compared to what even if you're just targeting like this resistance, like the top of this inflection zone, right? You can see all these highs and these lows over here. Even if you're just playing that and you put a stop under that, you're talking about a 3-to-1 reward to risk. Okay, again, this is how the swings are tailored as well. And I know the swings have done horribly in the last week or two. But again, technically on a lot of these swings that I'm putting out in trades, like only technically one of them needs to win out of 4 for it to be a profitable scenario, because the winning trades are this large green box of profit and the losing trades are these little ones. But again, you know, it's never perfect. That's not financial advice, of course. I'm just saying you have certain scenarios where the reward to risk is favorable based on the technical setup. And Fisker is very interesting at these levels, but I think it was up like 1% after hours. I don't know if it held it, but we'll see. But yeah, that's Fisker. We'll see what happens. And then very similar, CLOV is also kind of, it's been in this wedge. We've been talking about this like all week, but the wedge, I guess, is just continuing downwards. Yeah, even on like the 15-minute, it's got hidden bullish divergence as well. I really want to see, tomorrow is going to be very important to see if like, I just want to see Fisker hold $12 tomorrow and CLOV hold $3 tomorrow. If Fisker could hold 12 and CLOV could hold 3, that would be amazing again. And even if they don't, they're just barely above it, so it's not like a major like risk. Again, not financial advice, but yeah. So Fisker, CLOV, still in that wedge. What else should we talk about? I haven't looked at Tesla in a little bit. Remember that time, like literally a week ago, I was saying I was bearish on Tesla in these areas. It's been selling off with a lot of other things, to be fair. Tesla, right now, I gotta rechart this a little bit. Haven't looked at it in a few days. I'd say it's also in like this downsloping formation. It's technically not divergence because it made a higher low, but pretty close. I'd say like this is your support, this little zone between like 975 and 977 on Tesla. If that breaks, could see more downside. If it holds and it breaks out, I'd say like 1012 could be your next level. 1026 gap never got filled. We'll see. All right, Twitter broke down again today. It was like kind of like a cup and it's kind of like a cup and handle. I don't know. Like it kind of broke down again today. Yeah, that's pretty much the majority of it. There's only a couple like ongoing swings that weren't already marked green. And that's the other thing. Like, I know the swings are doing horrible right now, but we just marked like at least like 6 or 7 swings green on the sheet like 2 weeks ago. And one of them was CLOV, which is a 50% profit, right? So we're talking about something being down 12%. Pen, not much change. It was only down 1% today. It's still testing the lows. Same analysis as last night. Hopefully it can hold these lows and not get marked red on the sheet. But AMC did get marked red. I deleted the boxes already, but had to mark that red. It hit the stop, confirmed under stop. Bearish engulfing on AMC today. Look, like I was just talking about this on Fisker and CLOV. Like I thought that, you know, like I was saying, like I hope Fisker could hold 12. I hope CLOV can hold 3. And even if it doesn't, it's like a small like risk in a sense. Again, you always define your own risk, but same thing with AMC. I thought it could hold this super important zone because again, it still is a super important zone. Okay, so it's a very, very, very important zone. I thought it could hold it, and it just did. Just did. All right. The market selling off might have had something to do with it. It did not. And it just didn't work out. Broke the support level. Another one where it has potential hidden bullish divergence, but it's not really developing. Another one with a bearish engulfing candle. So yeah. And then speaking of swings that were marked green, thankfully they were marked green because they're now quite a bit lower. NEO was marked green over here. Facebook was marked green over here. SDC actually hit the target, but we did talk about this last night. And even though the market was red today, SDC closed up almost 3%, and it was up even more. It was up like another like 4 or 5% on top of that. I was telling you all about GameStop last night and SDC. And remember SDC, we talked about the bullish engulfing candle and the hidden bullish divergence last night. So yeah, there's everything that I really wanted to talk about. We're gonna do another giveaway in a little bit here. Truffle Chocolate says, okay, now that I know how to enter, looks like I have 2 more chances. Technically it's like 1, but there's gonna be 2 winners. Actually, to make it more suspenseful, I'll do 2 different. And all right, I know like the first 2 times around, I did like we did like one thing for like 2 people. Whoa.
How about a Scrooge giveaway for the hardest working trader, educator in the business? Also a shout out to all the contributors in the Discord for all the education and educational resources.
Oh my gosh, Scrooge, how are you doing? Scrooge, I hope you're doing well. I've done some one-on-one calls with Scrooge, and I'm sorry to say this, I appreciate everybody who supported me and everybody I've been able to talk with on one-on-one calls, but Scrooge is definitely one of my favorite like people I've like spoken to in those calls. Scrooge, always appreciate the support. Thank you so much for the $30. Let's get some vibes in the chat for Scrooge with the tip. Definitely shout out to all the contributors in the Discord for all the educational resources, the mods, the Discord analysts. Again, they're not real like stock analysts, we just call them Discord analysts. The mods, the analysts, all of you that are in the Discord, all of the members of the Discord, all 2108 members, shout out to all of you for making this the best community that's around. Shout out to all of you. All right, thank you so much, Scrooge, for the tip. Yeah, and drop some vibes in the chat for the $30 tip. So yeah, we're gonna do the final giveaway right now. Again, final shout out to Stack the Margin for this whole entire idea. And yeah. All right, so we've done 4 people so far. All right, Stack giving away 2 technically, and he asked me to hop in, gave away, and I'm doing 4. So that's 6 in total. I did fail geometry, but not algebra. All right, so we got 2 more left. That's the quick math, it looks like. Hit the like button, the subscribe button. We're not starting just yet. I want to see a show of hands in the chat. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're in premium. Drop a 2 in the chat if you are not in premium, okay? 1 if you are in premium, 2 if you are not in premium currently. Looks like there's a lot of 1s coming in at first. I'm seeing a few more 2s now. It looks kind of 50-50, honestly. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, we got 2 more to give away. We're gonna do it 1 by 1 for these ones, all right? Let's do 1 first. Again, the Discord link is in the description. It's free to join the Discord, all right? The Discord itself is free, all right? The premium is paid. It's $50 a month. But the Discord itself is free to join. The link is in the description. Join the Discord, all right? Make sure you're verified. Click these 2 little buttons to get verified in the verification channel. And then all you got to do, go to the announcements channel. There's going to be a little giveaway bot pop up, all right? And then you just got to click on this little party button, all right? Because the vibes got to be there, guys, all right? Hit the vibes button, the party button, and we're going to do 2 different entries or whatever, and 1 person is going to win each time for the final 2, all right? And just, again, final set of reminders. If you already won, please do not try and do it again. You're not going to win twice. Also, this is for non-premium members, so you can try it out and see what it's like. And when you win, for the 2 people that are about to win, for the people who already won, I will DM you tonight on Discord, all right? Mr. LinkedIn, I'll get to that chat after you do this. So yeah, let's do 1 right now, okay? It's gonna be 30 seconds. one winner for this one. All right, there you go. It started. This is your second to last chance, okay? So yeah. There we go. JCR is number 5. I will reach out to you tonight. Okay. All of you will be able to join tonight. So if you want to see what's good tomorrow, you will be able to join tonight. It's not like I'm going to take like a week or anything. I'll message you all. Probably even before I eat dinner. All right. Last one, everybody. Let me see Mr. LinkedIn's question before we get to the last one. Oh, let me see where the DSO question was. Hit the like button. Random question. Random question. Does DSO have an inverse relationship with Bitcoin? I don't think so. I mean, we could. So basically, if you're ever looking like to see like what the correlation between assets are in TradingView, just click any chart. Click this little plus over here, and then you can just compare them. So we can type in DSO and we can take a look. No, they look pretty similar to me. Yeah, it's not perfect actually. It's weird. You know, they were kind of discorrelated here, but then like in this region they were correlated, and then over here they definitely were inverse. Bitcoin was going up, this was going down, but then this had like this crazy spike. I'd say it's a little bit more detached than a lot of other altcoins I've seen to Bitcoin. Like right now, DSO is green, Bitcoin's red on the new day. So it's definitely less correlated, I'd say, than some. I mean, we could just try another one. I mean, we could put like, let's try Tezos and Link, I guess. Yeah, you could see Tezos is like almost perfect with Bitcoin. It's that blue line. We could try Link out. I don't know if Medic Vibe's still in here, but Medic, you remember the price at which I own Linked and the price at which I sold. It's a little bit of a pinch. Yeah. So it's definitely less attached to Bitcoin than some of the others for sure. All right. I need to actually do all this. All right, there we go. But yeah, again, I know it's a little bit weird. I don't really ever share like technicals and stuff like this. This was a project I was looking into, and you know, the daily chart, it was looking better when I first put this out with the hidden bullish divergence, but it's mainly like, again, you could see this area that it broke above and now it's back testing, and the 4-hour, the wedge, and the triple classic bullish divergence. It's a little bit of a different one for sure, and I need to say this again, because again, these ones are a little bit different, and I know I've been talking a little bit more, and I will continue to talk more about like some more. I'm going to do the final giveaway in like 10 minutes, guys. I want to just talk for a little bit. Talk more about Web3 and like NFTs. I will continue to do that over the next few months and lean into that space. Remember, I have never gotten paid to promote any coin or NFT or anything. All these projects I've talked about, OMI in the past, I talked about Liquid Marketplace last week, DSO right now. These are just things I'm genuinely looking into myself. I didn't actually get OMI coin. I did get some VV NFTs like myself after I talked about it on stream. Liquid Marketplace, I already told you guys ahead of time that I owned the CryptoPunk before I did that stream, and I do not own any DSO currently. But again, like none of them have given me anything. Like anything I bought myself, and I always talk about it. So yeah, I was actually sharing this with Mehdi in the mods last night. A coin on Binance actually reached out to me to be like a partner and like do like TA with their coin and stuff way back in the day when I first started streaming. And I just didn't respond to them. That coin went up 4,000%. The coin went up 4,000%, like I think like a few months later or something. But I said the same thing in the mod chat. Like it's, you know, like yeah, that coin went up a crazy amount. But like a lot of these projects that want to like pay people to promote and stuff, like most of them just get rug pulled. So you know, that's just not something I'm not going to do. But remember, I know this space is especially the NFT space is just filled with a lot of like weird promos and scams. I want to get into this space, but again, guys, if you watch the stream, you know I'd never do that. So yeah, if there's anybody that I'm going to be sponsored by one day, which I would be one of their best sponsor. I don't know, sponsor's the right word to use, but like TradingView sponsor me, okay? I love to be sponsored by TradingView. I've asked them to sponsor me, but no luck. So yeah, the stream is sponsored by all of you supporting me, so thank you. No ads, nothing like that. Just all of you supporting me is my sponsor, I guess. I don't know. Thank you all. And stack the margins as well, and as well for Scrooge tonight with a tip. Mr. LinkedIn says, join the premium channel, everyone. It pays for itself. Thank you again. Another testimony. Thank you all so much. Alfredo, I'll explain to you how to join the give. I'm doing a second here. Gold, is that like a ticker or something? Fisker should sponsor you. The thing is, like, it's a little bit weird. Is that a ticker? What is this? I have no clue what this is. And there's not much I can do. Sorry, I just went crazy, but Fisker should sponsor you. That's the thing, like, I don't know. Like, I'd love for Fisker to sponsor me, but at the same time, it's just like, it would make things weird. It would make things very weird, because you all know how much I talk about how much I love Fisker, like, already, and like how much I talk about Fisker every single night on stream. It just wouldn't feel right to talk about the same exact stock every night on stream, and they were like sponsoring me, you know what I'm saying? So like, I don't think I'd be able to do a Fisker sponsor, because I talk about stocks and Fisker as a stock. But I do want a Henrik Fisker interview, so go at Henrik Fisker on Twitter and tell him to let Champion Vibe interview him for 10 minutes, all right? That's one of my goals for this year. I'm going to interview, all right? I'm going to interview Henrik Fisker, and it will be on my channel. All right, so actually, again, the giveaway is gonna be like 5 minutes, the final one, but just some other stuff, like, vibes have been like really, for those of you who watch the streams, it's been great, but obviously it's just been less people watching lately. The market's had its worst time in a few years. And you know, swings haven't done great, and most of the options are shared in premium. Honestly, I started sharing options outside of premium for a little bit, and I might start it again. The only thing is, like, if you're in premium, you know how I run the options for the most part. You know, there's instructions, and I'm giving constant updates. The issue with me sharing options, especially these short-term like lottos and trades I play out in 10 minutes, is one, like, it's just like nearly impossible. Like, I tried doing for a bit, and I did pretty well when we were doing like the non-premium options. For those of you who remember, we had some really nice buy calls. But the issue was, one, it's really stressful to have to be like talking about one trade. And again, we're talking about like 9,000 of you on Twitter and 2,000 in the Discord. Imagine that, like, if you think I don't care, I care. Okay, imagine the stress that gives me to like see like an alert like moving up, down 5, 10, 20% like crazy quick, and like it's very stressful for me. All right, that's like number one. But also it's like it's just a lot of people, like, they'll see it like 20 minutes later by the time it already went up 30-40%, and they don't understand how I do options, and it just gets very confusing. So that's why, again, I tried to do the premium options because I knew the swings weren't doing too well for a couple months, but it just doesn't really make sense to do it. Again, for me, it's just too stressful, and it's too confusing for too many people. It's just not worth it, in my opinion. Maybe in the future, but yeah, because again, most of these are like short-term trades. So Josh says you shouldn't stress on it at all. It's our choice to buy. I know, but it's not even just about like it's just it's hard to explain, like, unless like you're like in the position. It's like, and I can't even imagine these people with like 500, 400,000 followers. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, just want to talk about that. So also, what I was really trying to get into was streams. So in just a few weeks, I'm done with my semester. So streams are going to be going back to 9 p.m. EST every single night, like how it used to be. This random schedule has definitely thrown off the viewership quite a bit, because all of you don't even know when I'm going to be live, and then you might have stuff planned. So 9 p.m. EST is going to be coming back in like a month, less than a month, every single night for the next like 4 or 5 months for sure. And then also, I'm going to be doing longer streams again. I've been doing I think tonight's been a longer stream. Did we get over an hour? We're almost at an hour, but I've been doing like 45-minute streams the last 2 weeks. I can't do that. I'm sorry. It's just the vibes have just not been great. You know what? My energy is based on the vibe amounts, right? So all I need you to do, all of you to do is just show up the vibes. And I want to start doing like 1.5 hour, 2 hour streams again for the summer. So streams are going to be completely revamped. I have to make a new overlay too. It's been too long with this one. And then also I'm going to be, I want to start making, I want to update, I just don't know what else to put in the course. There's so much in the course. It's like hard for me. If you ever have an idea, like watch the course, and if I miss something, let me know. At least something that, like, don't ask me to make a video on like Elliott waves. It needs to be something I talk about on stream that I use in my system, okay? But I want to add to the course this summer. I want to do more workshops this summer. And also one main thing I want to do is I want to start doing trader interviews. I want to start interviewing people like Keanu Trades, do like 1 hour interviews, and maybe like, you know, I stream on weekdays, maybe upload them on like Saturdays. I want to do like one like once a week or every other week. So I'm trying to do as many things as I can. Hopefully you're enjoying. And with all that being said, let's do the final giveaway. All right. So final reminder for anybody who just hopped into the stream. This is for non-premium members. That's what Stack wanted, and you know, it's also really, it's good. You know, if you're in premium, I feel like you've already been eating lately. If you're especially looking at the options channel, and even Bullseye's been doing pretty well. But like, you know, there's just the value's already been there. But we even just did a workshop, like what was it, last weekend? That's an hour long. Also, if you do win this, even if you miss a workshop, this is available. All right, it's a 1 hour workshop. I know a lot of other people doing paid workshops. I mean, I guess it in a sense, it kind of is, but it's included. I didn't like raise prices to include this or anything, but the workshop is there and all these channels. If you just joined and if you win the giveaway, please go on the overview channel and read all of this and also watch this video. There's a lot of people that join and just randomly start just like FOMOing, like you have to do it the right way. This is a place where you learn how to fish, okay? Like, this is not financial advice, but I'd say like wait a few days to like absorb like all the instructions, look at all the pinned chats, okay? If you want to learn how to look at pinned chats in general, if you're in the Discord, please look at all the pinned chats of all the channels. Go to this channel and then look at this video. You can see how to open it on mobile, or if you watch the instruction video over here, you can see it on desktop. I'm sorry for all the reminders. A lot of people don't know this stuff unless I talk about it on the stream. But yeah, with that being said, we can do the final giveaway. I was going to say something else, but I forgot. It's all good. Alright. So, I'm sorry. Before we start this, I need to just give the instructions again. So this is the final one for the night. For non-premium members, and if you win, I'm going to DM you after the stream to get you signed up. If you already won tonight, do not enter this. Not going to win again. And good luck. Alright, final one. It's basically just join the Discord. The link is in the description. All right, the link to join the Discord is in the description. It's free to join the Discord. Verify yourself by clicking these emojis. Come to the announcements channel and wait for this to pop up in about 1 minute. It's going to say giveaway premium monthly. It's going to be one winner. All you have to do is literally click this party emoji when it pops up in a minute. All right, final one. Good luck. That's the wrong one. Here. I'm gonna do 1 minute for this one so that there's more suspense. There you go, you got 1 minute. Final opportunity, it's live. You just have to click this emoji. Right now you've got a 1 in 10 chance of winning, 1 in 11. Can we get a 1 in 12? We got a 1 in 12. Can we get a 1 in 13? We've got a 1 in 13. Can we get a 1 in 14 chance of winning? 1 in 13 going once. Going twice. And I should have done my time a little bit better. All right, and sold to Watch My Shoes 04. There you go. Oh, we did get the 1 in 14 like last second. All right, so that's 6, okay? So Watch My Shoes 04, not a premium member currently. All right. Penny Stocks Ferg Weil, sorry if I mispronounced that. Will Weil, Killamel 3, Lord in Heaven, What Now, JCR and Watch My Shoes 04. Congratulations, you were the 6 winners. Shout out to Stack the Margins for helping me out and giving me the idea for this giveaway. You 6 people, I'm going to reach out to you on Discord direct messages. Okay, that's where you're going to get the information on how to get your free month. Basically, I'm just going to send you like a link. You click the link, you put in your email information, everything, you authorize your Discord, which the bot does for you, and you're in. It's pretty much like the same exact way of signing up, except the price is going to go from $50 a month to 0. Like, it's already just going to take out the price for you. So, all right. And for you 6 people, please remember to read everything in overview and watch the video. If you're not in premium, continue to develop your skills in this craft. Watch the course, watch all the streams. How did I learn all this? I watched somebody else named Mitch Ray on YouTube for 2 years, and I still watch him as much as I can. It's just really tough with streaming myself now, and college and trading and everything in Discord. But yeah, watch it. Like, everybody asks me like, what's the way to learn? What's the way to learn? Like, this is not financial. This is not financial advice, but I think the best way to learn is by watching the streams every single night and absorbing the information. Okay, it's not financial advice, but I think that's the best way to do it. All right, investing in yourself, like Mitch Ray says, getting these books, watching. You don't only have to watch my stuff. Go see other systems. Maybe other people's systems work for you. I don't know, but keep watching courses. Join the Discord. All these resources are available to all of you. Look at this. Shout out to Work Boganoff for all these educational channels. Yeah, and also for those of you who are on premium, I know this giveaway was only for like non-premium members. I want to do giveaways for all of you over this summer for sure, and you know, hopefully with all this stuff and the workshop we just did, you're still enjoying. And again, thank you for all the testimonials and everything. Stack the Margins in the chat saying congrats to all the winners tonight and appreciate you, Champion Matt. Have a good one, Stack. Thank you again so much. Hopefully I'll talk to you soon. And thank you all for participating, being good sports, and shout out to Cheddar Freeze. Shout out to Cheddar Freeze. Jamel, I'm sorry for mispronouncing that, is KillML3 who did win the giveaway. Congratulations. Drop some vibes in the chat. Oh my gosh. Again, sorry if I mispronounced this. Narissa NRSSA. Wow. A day 1 in here. How you doing? What up, Dr. Bob? How are you doing? Seeing some very familiar faces in here. What's up, Neutron? Zeke, you've been showing up like every night. Thank you so much. Frank, Josh, Mr. LinkedIn. Shout out to Scrooge again for the tip roller. Shout out to all of you. 4 more likes at 50 likes. Also, I have no clue how you all are doing this. We used to get 50 likes when I was getting like 700 views a night on stream. Not like live at the same time, but like just the whole entire stream replay. We'd get like 700 to 800 views. When we were getting 700 to 800 views on these stream videos, we'd be getting 50 likes on the streams. We're only getting 200 now. I have no clue how we're still getting 50 likes. All right, that's 1 in 4 people. 1 in 4 people compared to like 50 divided by 800. It used to be like a 6%. Now it's 25%. Like, shout out to all of you for keeping those likes up. Scrooge says watch on your computer and phone and like both. Scrooge is the best. You're the best, Scrooge. Thank you. All right. What else is there to talk about? I don't know. Futures. Oh, there's a nice little cherry on top. Futures are up 0.5%. The thing was, I kind of didn't want futures to be like super green overnight, but it's all good. I don't have puts. I don't want a few certain stocks to gap up in the morning. I want them to be flat, and then I want them to run after the open. But we don't have to talk about that. But S&P 4-hour chart, what's going on there? SPX. Oh, also, just remember again, like it's not much for right now, but never know. We get this inverse head and shoulders. It could be legendary. It's just not much for right now. What's up with the 4-hour? You say something about it? I know Trev Futures said ES futures on the 4-hour at a bullish back price reaction zone. Is that the PRZ again? Pattern conclusion zone. Although not sure where I grab the X anchor. Bullish divergence forming earnings season. gets kicked off this week. Banks and financials in the spotlight. Are you saying you sent something? Oh, here. Yeah, I've been eyeing this wedge. I think on like my 1 hour chart. Yup. Also, wait, this is a 4 hour. You're saying triple classic bullish divergence. No, your MACD is different than mine. What am I missing here? I have potential hidden bullish divergence. My 4 hour. I'm on SPX. Is that the same ticker?
Nothing at all. You wear your heart on your sleeve these days.
Also, let me know. I was watching the replay last night. Are you using SPX as your ticker? I was watching the replay last night, and it sounded like I was like really loud, like I was like screaming into the mic. If my mic is too loud, let me know, please. Whenever my audio is off, just let me know. It takes like 2 seconds to fix it. We also have to talk about MULN.
This is your first love. You are my last.
Yeah, I don't know. But need the lower Bollinger Band. I actually haven't looked at Bollinger Bands. This is a good point. I've looked at those in a while. Yeah, lower Bollinger Band. Look at the last time it was at the lower Bollinger Bands. Look at that. It was actually under here. So yeah, that's nice. SPX USD. What's the difference? Yeah, this is from forex.com. It's just a different chart. You know, on your chart, yeah, there is valid triple classic bullish divergence. However, on the SPX 1 hour chart, there is as well. There you go. That's a SPY, same thing though. Well, not the same thing, but similar. They just want, oh yeah, MULN down 7% today. You know, it rejected 276 yesterday before the close again, and this morning it just pretty much flushed for the first couple of hours of the day. I was able to actually catch the low of the day. If you follow me on Twitter, if you're in the Discord, I did share this bullish bat appeared at the low of the day. It was also kind of towards the bottom of this handle, and it did get a little bit of a bounce, but then it sold off again at the end of the day. So just, yeah, in terms of MULN, I hope, like, this is kind of this level. I just clicked something else. This is kind of the level, like this little like 238 to 250 zone, like the lower 240s is the level I want to see it hold short term. If that doesn't hold, then we're worried about like 221 support, like the major support. But yeah, MULN hopefully can hold that level tomorrow. It did have a nice wow, 7% bounce off the PCZ, but then it gave it up like right away. I'm gonna be honest, I've been talking a lot about MULN, and I did alert calls in premium yesterday that went up 55%. And I also I don't like, you know, like alerting things like here, it's just weird. Like basically, you know, I was just waiting for it, but I'm actually down now on calls. I could have taken some nice profits yesterday, and I told you all that I didn't. So yeah. Still just waiting, but you see, I'm still updating nonstop. We'll see what happens. I'm saying and not much else to talk about apart from that. But somebody make me stop saying that. The first word I said after I said somebody stop me saying that, and then I said the word again. It's a really bad habit. I'm like trying to control myself from not saying the same thing. About to happen again. So, like a 2-3% move can get it back outside of the wedge tomorrow.
I also think of you.
We'll see. But yeah, it's nice. We'll see futures green. We'll see if they can hold overnight. And I guess that'll be it for tonight's stream. Thank you all for the support. Congratulations to the 6 winners. And here's to doing more giveaways in the future, more awesome streams, more vibes. Next person at the like button will get us up to 50 likes, so shout out to whoever does that next. Follow me on Twitter at ChampionVibe, and shout out to all of my sponsors. I don't have sponsors. Great. Shout out to all of my affiliate codes I want to mention. I don't have affiliate codes I want to mention. So, yeah. We can just end the stream and... I really like having these awkward endings to streams. I think it just makes it funny. I don't know, maybe it's not funny. I'm sorry.
Awkward.
Neutron, thank you very much for the $5 tip. Vibes in the chat for Neutron. Appreciate your support. Hope you're doing well. I know you're very busy person, so hopefully your work is providing you rewards. And thank you for everything that you do for the whole community. Vibes in the chat for Neutron.